Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, I am Nurul Amin Jewel, lecturer English, Ecochali Degree College. I am going to take a class on article of English second paper of HSC English. However, when we will discuss article, then we should remember that to achieve efficiency or proficiency in article depends on the extensive use of English language and extensive reading of texts where we can learn articles frequently and in the we can see the appropriate use of prepositions. Remember one thing, all the good English learners, all the successful learners backgrounds is that they learn this language by practicing it in the practical field and by reading English materials. However, to discuss the uses of articles, we should note two things, that there are two types of articles. One is indefinite article and the second is definite article. A and N are A and N both are indefinite articles and D remains in definite article. However, the article A is used before a word when the word starts with a consonant or with a vowel with a consonant sound, and the article N is used before a word when the word begins with a vowel or with a consonant with a vowel sound. However, we should take note of 5 to 6 points which will help us to locate the appropriate article. Firstly, I would like to talk about singular number. Students should remember that when there is a singular word, when the word is singular, and another thing you have to remember that an article is always used before a noun or a pronoun. However, when the noun is singular, then an indefinite article like a or an should be used before it. Such as we can say, I bought a shirt yesterday. Here, a is used before a singular noun. Again, we can use an when the next word will begin with a vowel. I bought an orange yesterday. Then we should remember that when the noun is singular in number, then there will be a or an before it. Again, when the noun is plural, then we have to use the before it. For example, I like all students. Here we can see that the noun student, we have used the plural of student, it is students. Then the article must be definite article. That's why it is a the. I like the students. However, take notice another structure, that is the plus noun plus of. This structure, in this structure, when there is of after a noun, the preposition of after a noun, then there must be a the before the noun. As the structure is the name of the student of. We can clarify the idea when we can give you some example. The student of our college the students of our college are very studious. Yet, note the fact, here is the structure. Firstly, there is a the, then there is a noun, and there is an of. The plus noun plus of. The students of our college, or the students of Ecotchali Degree College, or the students of our country are very studious. Then the article here is used the. It is used before students of, the students of. Nextly, adjective plus noun. There should never be used any article when between an adjective and a noun. That is, when there is an adjective and adjacent to a noun, in the middle of an adjective and a noun, there shouldn't be any article. Here we can see a gap between new and principal. The new dash principal is very smart. In this sentence, there is a gap between new and principal. But as per the rule, we see adjective plus, there mustn't be any article between an adjective and a noun. For an adjective always modifies the noun, and that's why there shouldn't be any article. Then we can cross it. However, in the next rule, we should remember that no article is used before a possessive pronoun. Do you know the possessive pronouns? I, mine, our, your, their, etc. are possessive pronouns. For example, I will give you an example. Here we can see a gap before our. The our is a possessive pronoun and our defines house, our house. Whose house? Our house. And as I have said, here no article should be used before a possessive pronoun like our. So here we should give a cross. In the next rule, we should say preposition. Naturally, the article the is used after a preposition, such as I. Firstly, I want to give you an example. I put the pen on dash table. Then we have earlier said that prepositions are generally set after the prepositions. In this regard, I put the pen on the table, on the table. Here the answer is the. However, I should discuss another one thing. The definite article the is the denotes a possessive pronoun. When we say I have a cow, my cow is black in color. My cow has four legs. Here you should take notice that I have used mine four times. But in lieu of my, possessive pronoun my, we can easily use the cow. The cow is black, the cow has four legs, etc. etc. However, students, you have to be careful of practicing the article. You have to solve the board questions and test questions so that you achieve a mastery over article, and you must be able to get 5 out of 5 in the question of article. Stay safe, stay alive. Thank you.